This is a Geoport. Was purchased back in 2017. Sent it to me. I gave it a tune-up, did a little cosmetic work on it, replaced the logo. The old ones were epoxy. They tended to yellow. So these new ones are nice and clear. Everything seems good on the box. I did a duration test, ran it for hours. Seemed to do great. I'm gonna go ahead and just want to plug the cord into the back here. I'm gonna try a COS radio. I have multiple ones to test with this box. So we'll go ahead and turn the box on. This one has Bluetooth. Here's the chime for that. Turn that off. Use the physical 3.5 millimeter cord connection. These tend to work better with the COS radio, so I'm gonna use that. Hello? The performance I'm shooting for is matching my benchmark radio here. These things are very powerful and very rugged devices too. I still have mine. I still have the original prototype. Very nice, very quiet. Next one. It's got a little bit of noise. Good reception though. Alright. I'm looking for one without the noise. Sounds good. Any spirits out there? Can you hear me? Just a bit. All right, next one. Hello? It's got good reception, but it's noisy. I can't send a noisy one for this particular individual. It's got to go out. I don't have time to quiet it down, so I'm going to look for one that's pretty quiet. All right, next. Ain't gonna cut it. Okay, next. Nope. All right, next. Hello? Any spirits hear me? Did you say, how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Tell me.
It's good. All right. These two are quiet.